Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of GIS Answers. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if you find these videos useful. Today what we'll be doing is showing how to make a heat map in ArcGIS Pro. We have a bunch of address points in a layer for Lund in Sweden, and what you do, you go to right click on the table of contents and then go to symbology, and then instead of single symbol you want to pan down and go to heat map, and the heat map will be generated based on those points, and with the option of a constant or dynamic. And the difference is dynamic will change if you zoom in and out, so I'll show that as we zoom in. It'll be rendered differently, recalculated for within the map view. We have the rendering quality right in the middle. Let's see if we can improve the speed. Yeah, maybe a little bit quicker. Quite a bit quicker, I would say. And you can change this color scheme. I like the yellow to red. Not so good. That one's not so bad. And you can change the radius. So I'm changing this, increasing this to, let's go with a 75 from 25. See what happens. So maybe not so effective. I would like to go. Let's go back to a 10 then. See what happens with a 10. See if it gives us a little bit more detail. There we go. Okay, so maybe some more concentrated areas, but the default was 25. Doesn't seem to have rendered that again. Okay. Try that at 40. Okay. Try 30. Okay, so yeah, I mean you can get some different effects by changing that radius number. We haven't done anything with the weight field. I don't know. I don't have anything that could influence that right now. So yeah, I mean this is something useful if you have maybe some point addresses representing population or any kind of point information that you'd like to show as a heat map. So there you go, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll see you again next time. Thank you.
Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of GIS Answers. Today we'll be showing how to use the clustering tool in order to visually present points of interest. So we have the parks in Miami and the world topographic map and the world hillshade as a background. And we have parks, and we want to cluster these into basically groups. Click on the parks layer in the table of contents, go to appearance, aggregation, clustering. As it says, clustering is aggregate point features into dynamic point clusters. It clusters into different sizes of circles depending on the number of parks within those areas. And as you zoom in, those numbers will change. They'll break up, basically you get more circles, and as you zoom out, the clusters will become larger, and the numbers within those, obviously that's 61 parks are within that circle, 36 between this one, and 7 within that one. So as you zoom in, you get more individual clusters. So that's an alternate way to the method of showing heat map. Duplicate this. I'm going to copy and paste. So we've got both layers. We're going to make one layer a heat map. What we'll do is make that heat map below the clusters. Increase the radius. So in this case, we've got a combination. We've got the clusters and the heat map. A combination of both. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you again. Thanks.